Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to find the LCM and HCF of 26 and 91. One is an even number and the other one is an odd number. First we will find the LCM of the two numbers. For finding the LCM we can use the factor tree method or the division method. Here I am using the division method. So first we will find the factors of 26 and 91. 26. So we'll write it like this and start dividing with the minimum divisor. As 26 is an even number, we'll start dividing by 2. So 2 times 1 and 2 times 3, 13. Now we see that 13 is a prime number, so it is only divisible by itself. So we got the factors of 26 as 2 times 13 times 1. Now we will find the factors of 91. So we will write 91 and start dividing it. As it is an odd number, so we will first try with 3. So it's not possible. Then we will try with 7 now. So I think 7 is possible. Yeah. So 7 times 1 and 7 times 3. Now again we are getting 13 here. So it is a prime number and it is divisible by only 13. So we got the factors of 91 are 7 times 13 times 1. Now here we are finding the LCM. So LCM will be the lowest common multiple. So here we see the common number is 13 and 1. So to find the lowest common multiple, we are going to write the common multiple only once. So LCM will become, as it is a multiple, so we will multiply the factors here. 2 times 7 times 13 times 1. So for finding the lowest common multiple, we are going to take the product of all the multiples and the common multiples will be taken once. So here we got LCM as 14 times 13, which is equal to 182. So the LCM of 26 and 91 is 182. Now let's move on to the HCF or the highest common factor. So to find the HCF, we are going to write the factors of 26 first. So we have already done the factorization here using the division method. So here factors of 26 are 2 times 13 times 1 and factors of 91 are 7 times 13 times 1. Finding the highest common factor, we are going to find the common factor which is the highest in between the two numbers. The common factor is 13 and as there is only one common factor, so the highest common factor which is the highest number which can divide the two numbers without leaving a remainder is 13. So the HCF of 26 and 91 is 13. I hope this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.